Hi, let's take a very important question of this chapter. Write the following sets in the roster form. That means a question will be given to us. We need to write this question in the roster form. Now we have already learned that roster form is also called as a listing method. That means for this particular question, we need to just create list of all the elements separated by comma, written in a curly bracket, and we have to assign it by a capital letter. So let's understand what question is given to us. Question is set of all even numbers. That means we need to create a list of all even numbers. So we start with a solution. First of all, let's understand what exactly do we mean by even numbers. We know that even numbers are those numbers which are divisible by 2. That means 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 and so on. So what exactly we are going to do? First of all, for this particular statement, we are going to assign a capital letter. It can be any letter. So we write A is equal to, even numbers are nothing but 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on, written in a curly bracket. So we write final answer as A is equal to curly bracket 2, 4, 6, 8, dot. Let's take another question. Set of all even prime numbers from 1 to 50. That means we need to write all even prime numbers from 1 to 50. So first of all, let's understand what exactly do we mean by prime numbers. Now we already know that prime number are those numbers which are divisible by 1 and itself. Example, 2 is the prime number because 2 is divisible by 1 as well as itself. 3 is the prime number because 3 comes in table of 1 as well as itself, that is 3. So 3 is the prime number. 4 is not a prime number because 4 comes in table of 1 as well as 4 comes in table of 2. So 4 is not a prime number. So a number which is divisible by itself and 1 is called as a prime number. So first of all, what we will do, we'll write all the prime numbers from 1 to 50. So 1 is not a prime number, 2 is a prime number because it comes in table of itself. 3 is a prime number, then 4 is not a prime number because it comes in table of 2. 5 is a prime number, 7 is a prime number, 11 is a prime number, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43, 47. So what we have done, we have written all the prime numbers starting from 1 to 50. But the question is, we need to write those prime numbers which are even. Even means a number which comes in table of 2. So if you observe all prime numbers, we can observe that there is only one even number which is 2. So we write our answer. First of all, we need to represent it by some capital letter. So we write capital letter, that is B is equal to, in curly bracket we'll write only 2. So that is our answer. B is equals to curly bracket 2. Another question. It says that we need to write a set of negative integers. So first of all, let's see what is integers. We already know that integers are always represented on a number line. At center we have 0. On left side we have negative numbers and on right side we have positive numbers. Now we need to write negative integers. That means we are going to write all the numbers which are to the left of 0. That is -1, -2, -3, -4 and so on. So how do we write answer? We'll assign a capital letter, that is C, is equals to, in curly bracket we'll write -1, -2, -3, -4 and so on. Let's take another question. 7 basic sounds of a sargam sur. That means we need to just write 7 basic sounds of sargam. So how do we start this up? We'll assign a capital letter, that is, for example, we can use any letter. Right now we have used as D is equal to, we need to create a list of 7 basic sounds of a sargam, which is nothing but sa, re, ga, ma, pa, dha, ni. So we write all these separated by comma. So we write D is equal to, in curly bracket separated by comma, sa, re, ga, ma, pa, dha, ni.